Hello, my name is Rickard, and today I'm proud to announce my brand new composite course, the Grape Escape. In this course, we're going to be using a photo I took of my daughter in my living room, and also a photo I took of some grapes and turning it into this whimsical scene that you see here using traditional compositing tools and methods inside of Photoshop. In the course, you're going to go through this project from start to finish. And in the course of it, we're going to learn the Photoshop workspace. We're going to learn Photoshop shortcuts. We're going to learn image adjustment tools. We're going to dive into Camera Raw and how to use that. We're going to learn how to use the new generative AI tools in Photoshop inside a compositing workflow. And you're going to learn techniques for making your composites look more cinematic and artistic. And we're also going to look at methods for color grading your images, either using Camera Raw, gradient maps, or using curves for color grading. So all of this and much more is covered in this course, in addition to the lessons that you get when you purchase the course. With it, there's also 2 live compositing sessions where we're going to be putting together composites from this same series of photos. You can see those here next to each other. And with this course, you get access to those live sessions. Now, if you sign up right away, you'll be in time to join the actual live sessions where you can ask me questions as we composite. But if you don't sign up right away, you'll still have access to high resolution recordings of those sessions. Those are a huge bonus for this course. This is something we haven't done on any of our previous composite courses. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed the course, and I'll see you inside.